Hey guys, this video is going to be a little bit different. It's sponsored by Muslogy Auto, and they provided me with their cup holder inserts and interior inserts. We're going to install them, give them a quick review, and see how they work out. This is the 13-piece black leather look set. There's also a grey leather look set available, and 3 PVC options as well. Here I've flipped them over and I've labelled them because as I go through the video I'm going to show you exactly where each of these pieces go. Number 1 goes on top of the dash. I have the B&O stereo upgrade, so I don't have a space for it, but it would normally be here on top of the dash. Number 2 goes inside the glove box. It's a large rectangular piece. Open up the glove box, just place it in the bottom. Number 3 goes into the driver and passenger front door pockets. They are the skinnier of the two sets of door pocket inserts. There are some double-sided tape circles in the set. You'll want to attach these so they don't move around in the door pockets. And then do the same on the passenger side. Number 4 is the driver and passenger rear door inserts. These are the fatter of the two types of door inserts. And you'll want to install the double-sided tape on each of these as well. And the same again on the passenger side. Number 5 is for the center tray or charging area in the center console. As you can see, these go really well with all the other surrounding materials. Number 6 is for the center cup holders. This is the slightly longer of the two cup holder inserts. Number 7 is for the center console. There's a large one for the main storage area, and a smaller one for the little tray insert. Number 8 is for the center rear armrest cup holder, and it's the shorter of the two cup holder inserts. Number 9 is for the storage pocket on the left hand side of the trunk. And finally number 10 is for the storage area on the right hand side of the trunk. All joking aside, I have the stereo upgrade with the subwoofer, but if you have the storage pocket on the right hand side, this is where that liner would go. I had previously purchased the Muslogy Auto cargo net, and I'll put a link to that product in the description below. The accuracy of how these liners fit, the quality of the material, and how they complement the interior is just superb. They really do have an upscale appearance within the vehicle, while offering some protection from dust and spills. So there you have it. Quick and easy install. I think the product's fantastic. It's well made, it's well cut out, fits perfectly. I've put a link to all 5 other products in the description, so check it out for yourself. Until next time.